Every single day, Amazon sellers pour money into AI tools that write their listings, optimize their ads, and generate their content. And they feel productive doing it. 50 variations of a title in 10 minutes. But here's what nobody's measuring. How much of that output is built on what customers actually want, and how much is built on what sellers assume customers want. Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. There's a framework that stopped us cold when we first heard it. It's simple and it's brutal. AI amplifies either signal or noise. That's it. If you've validated your assumptions against actual customer pain points, in the customer's own words, then AI amplifies signal. Your listings get sharper, your ads convert harder, your content compounds. But if you haven't done that work, if you're feeding AI your best guess about what customers care about, then AI amplifies noise. At scale, 50 listing variations built on the wrong message aren't 50 chances to win. They're 50 ways to lose, faster. Think about what that looks like. A seller launches a new supplement line. They use AI to generate descriptions, bullet points, ad copy, the whole stack. The AI does exactly what it's told. Polished, professional, keyword-rich. They spend $15,000 over 2 months. Conversion rate sits at 8%. Category average, 14. So they dig in. They pull their last 100 reviews. They read their customer messages. And they find something that should have been obvious from the start. Customers don't care about bioavailable micronutrient complex. They care about, I stopped waking up tired. That's the language. That's the signal. And the AI never had it, because the seller never gave it. The real bottleneck is signal. Knowing what to say before you say it at scale. The sellers winning right now aren't the ones who automated first. They're the ones who validated first. And then, only then, they pointed AI at that signal. Same tools, same technology, completely different results. Research on voice of customer messaging backs this up. E-commerce brands that use actual customer language on their product pages consistently see conversion lifts, some showing 20 to 30% improvement. Not because the writing is better, because the words match what the buyer is already thinking. So, before you generate another listing, before you launch another AI-optimized campaign, before you scale anything, run one check. 10 minutes, 3 places. First, open Seller Central. Go to Brands, then Customer Reviews. Filter by your top 5 ASINs by revenue. Read the 3-star reviews, not the ones in 5s. 3 stars is where customers tell you what almost worked. Write down every phrase that describes the gap. Thought it would be thicker. Instructions didn't match the product. Those phrases are your real product positioning. Second, pull your return reason report. Look at the top 3 return reasons by volume. Not the category, the actual text. Not as described means your listing is lying about something specific. Not compatible means your bullet points are missing a spec someone needed before buying. If your top return reason is not as described, pull the 5 most recent returns with that reason. Find the specific claim that didn't match reality and fix it. Vague claims create returns. Specific claims create buyers. Third, open your Brand Analytics Search Query Performance Report. Find the top 10 search terms driving clicks to your listings. Now read your title and first 3 bullet points out loud. Do they contain those exact phrases? Not synonyms. Not AI rewritten versions. The exact words customers typed. If your listing says premium ergonomic solution, and your customers are searching comfortable desk chair under 200, your AI-generated content is talking to itself. If this is the kind of insight you want for your own business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Start with the review language. Take every phrase you wrote down and ask one question. Is this in my listing right now? If a customer wrote, thought it would be thicker, your listing either never mentioned the thickness or used a word like durable that means something different in the customer's head. The fix is surgical. Find the bullet point that describes the material and add the specific dimension or weight. 6mm thick silicone tells the customer exactly what they are getting. Premium durable material tells them nothing. If not as described as a top return reason, pull the 5 most recent returns with that reason and read the original order. If your top search term is waterproof phone pouch for swimming, but your title says premium water-resistant mobile device protector, rewrite the title with their exact language. Amazon's algorithm matches search terms to listing text. Your customer just told you the exact phrase they type when they want your product. Here's the rule. Every update you make should come from a specific customer signal, not from what sounds good, not from what AI suggested, not from what a competitor wrote. One review, one return reason, one search term, one listing change. That's how you close the gap between what your content says and what your customer needs to hear before they click buy. The irony is that AI is the perfect tool for finding signal, once you know to look. Whether you use tools like the Seller Labs MCP server to connect Claude to your Amazon data, or you build your own workflow with Claude Code and Playwright MCP, or you just do it manually in Seller Central, the principle is the same. AI can analyze 1,000 reviews in seconds. AI is extraordinary at amplifying signal, but it can't tell the difference between signal and noise. That's your job. Fix the input before you scale the output. What's one phrase from your customer reviews that's not in your listing right now? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.